Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. Welcome to the swimming pool of Nesa here in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Oh! Siguro pag ano pa, mabaksak pa na ulo.
Lola here is so happy. The Saho family, Monica, George, and Jude. There's Diego, my special travel buddy. And that's the whole gang. Groupie by Nika.
Sabi ko, mayayain mo yung mga moms. Kaso hindi rin nila gusto, malamig. Yung tabako mo.
Tapyasin natin.
But first.
Here at Nesa's swimming pool. We're enjoying this today.
Hi everybody! We're here at Vanessa's house with Mama. Mainit ang araw pero lamig ng tubig. There's Daddy and Jude, and then there's Jago and me. Wow, ganda lang namin.
Na-normalize na.
Mama's asking for help. Ha? Dali, ano gagawin mo? Okay naman.
Last time kasi malala talaga. Mas okay nga. Kontra sa paa niya.
Sisilaw.
Daddy!
Yes.
Ayaw ko na yung first ko dyan. Siya yung balik mo na siya.
Dapat nakangiti siya.
Wala.
Daddy!
Wow. Hold on to mommy. Are you cold? I love you.
More lubog si Daddy.
At naanggulo mo, kinuhanan.
I definitely had to go into the water, cold or not.
Maybe someone like you. What's wrong, Jude? What's wrong?
Bakit?
Parang uwi ka rin? Kumatay lang ba ito?
Ay, may pupo.
I guess the sun wasn't too high because the underwater shot of Diego swimming by iPhone is not so clear. So much fun, and it's really a chill experience and quite a nice family bonding, and so we hope to do it many more times before we leave for the Philippines. There's Nesa taking our groupie. Thank you, Lord, for this very beautiful day.